daming Christmas trees ah. Anak, saglit. Anak, ipili mo ako ng 14-inch na less than 3K ang price. Kung pwede M2. Ano ba pagkakaiba ng M2, M3 chip?
Kasi nung 2000,
Yung speed.
pagkatapos yung sa'yo,
Okay.
yung Apple, gumawa na sila ng sarili nilang processor. Parang mas okay sa akin yung black. Alam mo kung bakit? Eh kasi hindi siya lumihim. Magpa-black na lang ako. Yan. Ayan na ba yung po? Paano mo naman ito sa atin? At saka wala na yung mga pinipindot-pindot sa taas ng mga kanito. Ang tawag doon. Binalik na sa dati. Pati yung charger, no? Sabi ni Ines, kanya na lang daw yung ako. Sige, bilhin mo to para sa akin, please. Eh, ano pagkakaiba nito doon sa black na yun? Eh, ano pinapabili sa akin ni Ate? Papabili siya sa akin ng iMac. Ikat siya, namimili siya ng size ng bag. Eh, ito nga siya na to dun sa bago ko. Mga bago. Oo, sige, please. Parang gusto nga bumili, kaya lang makukuha ko naman yung Apple Watch na siya. Ay, tsaka bili mo ako casing. Hindi naman useless na ang bumili na. Ay, may pink na iPhone. Mayroon bang Pro Max na? Ayoko ng 13, so 50 na Pro Max. Na pink. Wala. Black na lang katerno ng laptop. Plus yun. Per pink. Yung Pro Max.
Ayun ang watch. Hello guys! Happy holidays! We're here now at the floating Apple store here in Marina Bay Sands. And right now we are waiting for our order, the MacBook Pro M3 chip. I chose the M3 processor because I have to choose between M1, M2, and M3, and it's the best one, so I chose the fastest one. For the memory, unified memory, I got 18 gigabytes and 512 gigabytes of SSD. For the color, I chose the darkest one, the black, because my previous one is already a lighter shade, so I'm trying black for change. I'm really glad I chose this store compared to the one in Orchard and inside the Jewel in Changi. This shop has nicer view.
Transparent. Or kung sa labas ko bibili, transparent din. Kasi parang kung transparent ang tinitinda nila, ang ibig sabihin nun, transparent na uso. Kailangan ko yun o Erratum. Basta ako masaya at excited.
By the way, guys, this MacBook M3 Pro is released November 2023. So it was December 2023 when I bought it and filmed this vlog. So it was only 1 month old. It's quite new, just released. Okay, so this is an 18 gigabyte 512 14-inch MacBook Pro. Alright, so we're going to unbox it. Wow. Okay, so that's it. So the reason why I chose 14 inch over 16 inch is that it needs to fit inside my bag. And I don't really carry big bags around, and sometimes I need to bring my laptop along with me in case I need to meet up with some clients and come to my other job's office. And also this 14-inch MacBook is so much lighter. I feel that it's even lighter than my previous 13-inch Mac. Okay guys, we just unboxed the box and now I'm just checking what's inside it. So the parts are this adapter, this charging adapter is the same as before. Nothing has changed. It's still the same adapter with a slot for the USB-C. Okay, so next let's see the cable. Oh, now they have brought back the magnetic charging cable. This is USB-C to magnetic. It's no longer Type-C to Type-C. So this what they call it, I think MagSafe 3 magnetic cable, something like that. Yeah, MagSafe 3 cable. And I just don't like it that the cable is black but the adapter is white. It doesn't look Nice. It doesn't look matchy. Okay, so now it's time for us to set up. Oops, sorry about this tremors. It's shaky because I'm holding the camera on my left hand. Yeah, I'm not using a stand while filming this now. So you will see some shaking while I'm using my right hand to type. My left hand's a bit shaky. Sorry about this. Usually, migrating your files to your new MacBook is easy because you just need to log in your Apple ID and your files are there already. But you know, I'm old school. I need to do manually. I want to install the apps by myself again. After setting up is completed, I now buy the casing, the protective casing for my iMac, and of course, the screen protector. I got my laptop casing and screen protector from Orient Electronics. Price here are cheaper and the service is impeccable because they will install it for you for free. Okay, we've come to the end of my video. I hope you liked it. Please do click like and subscribe if you haven't yet. And of course, the notification bell for more videos like this. Thank you for watching.